Imagine what might happen if we showed up and stood up for each other every day. If we really listened to each other's stories. If we started by believing survivors.
The Raise Your Voice Symposium brings all of St. Mary's and the broader community together so that we can learn, reflect, and support one another around the common goal of preventing sexual assault and raising awareness of its impact.
Hi, I'm Lauren Mulhern, and I serve as the Program Director for Education, Outreach, and Prevention at the University of Notre Dame. The Raise Your Voice Symposium presents an incredible opportunity for our tri-campus community to engage in honest conversations about sexual violence and expand our awareness of tools and resources to better support survivors. Raise Your Voice reminds us that our efforts to prevent sexual violence must be collective and intentional. It provides us with a space to connect, learn, and grow together.
St. Mary's College is the only women's college in the state of Indiana and one of 31 in the United States. As an institution whose mission is to empower and educate women, it is our responsibility to talk about sexual violence, to raise awareness of its impact, and support women who speak up. That work and conversation comes together with Healing at the Center in this symposium.
As both a staff member and a survivor, the Raise Your Voice Symposium is deeply personal to me. It reminds me what it means to stand in my power and to create safe spaces where others can stand in theirs.
The Raise Your Voice Symposium reflects who we are as a St. Mary's community. By bringing together research, storytelling, and advocacy, it transforms awareness into action while creating a space where survivors are heard and supported. It embodies our shared commitment to safety, dignity, and respect. It reminds us that no SMIC is ever left behind.
We gather because showing up for one another makes a difference, because deep listening creates space for healing, and because safer futures begin when we commit to this journey side by side.
Sexual violence prevention and education is not a new topic at St. Mary's College. For years, we have aimed to be leaders in this important work, and since its inception, Raise Your Voice has continued to grow and educate the community through workshops, panels, resource distribution, and art exhibits.
Each year, we challenge attendees to listen to survivors, learn best practices for prevention, and lead the effort to end sexual violence. Come to listen, learn, and be in solidarity. Your presence matters.